5 ways to make money with AI music. Beginner-friendly methods. If I told you that you could start making real money from music today without playing a single instrument, without knowing music theory, and without owning a studio, just using AI, would you believe me? Because right now, we are living in one of the biggest shifts in the music world. AI music is exploding. Creators are cashing in, and beginners are making money from songs generated with AI tools. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. I'll break down 5 beginner-friendly ways to make money with AI music, step by step, with zero fluff and zero confusion. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to realize you've been sleeping on a gold mine. But here's the twist. Some of these methods are passive, some are active. And one of them might turn into a full-time business if you take it seriously. So stick around, because the last method is something almost nobody talks about, but it's the one that scales the fastest. Let's get straight into it. Alright, before we dive in, let me make one thing clear. AI music isn't just a toy anymore. Tools like Suno, Music GPT, and others are now advanced enough to generate full songs, full instrumentals, even full soundtracks. And the best part? Most of the platforms allow commercial use, meaning you can legally make money with the music you generate. So the opportunities you're about to hear are not theories. They're already working for thousands of creators around the world. And now, it's your turn. Streaming and building income. The first path to making money with AI music is by distributing your AI-generated tracks to streaming platforms. Yes, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and all the big players. And this is way easier than you think. You generate your track with any AI tool you like, download the audio, and then send it through a distributor like DistroKid, TuneCore, CD Baby, or any other platform you prefer. And look, here's the beauty of this. You don't need a fan base. You don't need followers. Streaming platforms pay you per play, so even if your track doesn't go viral, steady streams still turn into passive income over time. And if you optimize your titles, descriptions, and artwork right, your music can get discovered through playlists, mood searches, or algorithm recommendations. You upload it once, and it keeps earning forever. The whole business model is shifting, and AI creators are getting in early. Now, don't worry. You don't need to be Beethoven here. You don't need to produce Grammy-level music. You just need songs that people enjoy hearing while they're studying, relaxing, working, driving, sleeping, or just vibing. And AI is powerful enough to get you 80% of the way instantly. Mix your track a little, polish the audio, upload it, and you're already ahead of most people. And that brings us to our next money-making method, which builds perfectly on top of streaming, the content angle. Because here's the thing. Where does most music get discovered these days? Social media. Not radio, not TV, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. So if you really want to make money with AI music, you can turn your songs into content, and the content itself becomes the money generator. Imagine this. You create a simple YouTube channel where you post AI lo-fi mixes, AI ambient tracks, AI sleep music, or even AI cinematic soundscapes. You upload consistently. People start streaming those long videos, and now you're earning AdSense revenue. And this doesn't take a complex setup. A looping animation, a static image, a visualizer. That's it. Or take it even further. Register your songs with YouTube Content ID. Now, whenever someone else uses your track in their video, you get paid from their monetized video. This is why AI music on YouTube is so powerful. It creates a double stream of income. You earn from your own uploads and from anyone who uses your songs. TikTok and Instagram Reels make this even crazier. Create short 15 to 30-second clips of your AI songs, upload them as sounds, use them in your own short videos, and if your audio catches a trend, you can make money through creator funds, partnerships, or direct licensing. This is how sounds go viral on TikTok every single day. Someone uploads a catchy audio clip, and boom! Thousands of people start using it. And guess what? AI lets you create unlimited catchy audio clips instantly. No studio, no mic, no beat-making skills, just creativity. And the more you upload, the better your chances of one catching on. Licensing. Now, let's move deeper, because the next method doesn't rely on views or streams. It pays much more per song, and sometimes it can pay hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for a single track. Licensing your AI music is one of the most high-paying ways to make money as a beginner. This includes sync licensing for films, ads, games, and videos, and stock music licensing, where creators buy your tracks for their projects. Here's why licensing is so powerful. You're not getting paid per play, you're getting paid per use. If a business wants to use your background track for an ad, they pay for a license. If a YouTube creator wants background music for their channel, they pay. If a filmmaker needs a mood track, guess what? They pay. Platforms like Audio Jungle, Pond5, Premium Beat, and many others accept AI-generated music as long as it's cleared for commercial use. You upload your tracks, set your prices, add your tags, and creators around the world can buy your music anytime, day or night. And here's a secret. You can sell the same track over and over and over. One upload can make you money hundreds of times. And if you want to take it even further, you can sell exclusive rights at a higher price, meaning someone buys the track fully from you, and you move on to create more. AI makes this entire process fast. You can create an entire music pack, a collection of 10 ambient tracks, or 10 chill beats, or 10 cinematic loops in a single weekend. And you can sell those packs on marketplaces, on your own website, or even on Gumroad or Sellfy. This is where beginners can legitimately start making serious income without ever touching a physical instrument. Licensing is a game changer. Custom AI music services. But what if you want something more hands-on? Something where people pay you directly, not for a track you already made, but for custom work? Well, that's where the next method comes in, and it's one of the fastest ways to start earning, even with zero audience. Because here's the truth. Businesses, creators, podcasters, YouTubers, advertisers, they all need custom music. And most of them don't want to hire expensive producers. They want something quick, affordable, and still high quality. And that's where you come in. You can offer custom AI-generated music as a service, create intros for YouTubers, create TikTok background loops, create podcast theme songs, create ambient tracks for meditation coaches, create short jingles for small businesses. Imagine this. Someone pays you $50, $100, or even $200 for a simple custom track that takes you 10 minutes to generate and refine. That's the power of AI. You're offering a premium result at beginner effort. And on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, this service is exploding because clients don't really care how you made the music. They care that it sounds good and solves their problem. And if you want to stand out, combine AI music with AI voiceovers. Offer packages like music plus narration, music plus intro voice tag, or music plus video. You instantly become more valuable than people who only do one thing. This is where AI stops being a tool and becomes your partner. If you can deliver fast, respond professionally, and produce clean audio, this can turn into a full-time income stream faster than you think. Everything we covered today is just the beginning. AI music is exploding, but if you really want to build a side hustle that scales, you need to combine what you learned here with the newest AI tools that are dropping right now. Because the truth is, AI isn't slowing down, it's speeding up. And the next video I'm dropping is exactly what you need to catch the wave early. It's called, "These New Google Gemini Features Can Start a Side Hustle," totally free. And honestly, if you're serious about making money online, that video is not optional. So if you want more income streams, more automation, and more ways to earn using tools you already have, click on that video next. Trust me, if this video opens your eyes, that one is going to blow your mind. I'll see you there.